So I just want to quickly show you, this is the diagram that I'm working from, and we have the back of the hand as well. So using this iDOC electro-acupuncture machine, I'm just going to attach the electrode to my arm and turn it on and put it on detect mode. All right, so this is diagnosing. So using the probe, I press it here so that I know what I'm feeling for. So it's set to level 1. And then what I'm doing is I'm following, just tracing around on my hand until I feel a sensation. Ow, like that. It doesn't hurt, but it made me jump. So what I do when I find one like that is I mark it with a Sharpie. Right. And every part of the hand, as in like reflexology, corresponds to a different part of the body, because it's made up of different meridians. So when you've got a blockage in a meridian, oh, I just felt another one there as well. Hang on, there. So there, right? And when you refer to your manual, you'll see that that's gallbladder. So what I'm going to do is just show you the next mode, but I would just do the whole hand, and you can look on the chart to see what's coming up, and it's amazing how accurate it is, the different areas. But because we've got like different meridians, because we are energy and everything is energy, a blockage, if left blocked, would manifest into dis-ease. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to work on these spots that I'm going to work on. Oh, right, so we are going to turn it up to, right, let's go back, just quickly turn it off and on again. I'm going to turn it to, no, keep it on 1. Right, the relieve mode, relieve, and I'm going to keep it on 1, keep it low. And then what you do is you, press start, and it will be a timer, and you just put the acupuncture probe on that area, which is where you would normally stick an acupuncture needle, but this is non-invasive. And you can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes on each area. This is the 3rd time I've done this now, and what it's doing, it's going to unblock that meridian and then obviously heal anything that is obviously causing that problem. Well, it's the blocked energy, it's the blocked meridian that is causing the physical problem. So by unblocking it, by using this device, it will make you well. So this is a medical device, and it can diagnose and treat. So I'm all over this, you know, anything natural, anything to avoid pharmaceuticals, antibiotics. I mean, I'm into energy medicine anyway. There's various devices that I use and sell, and this is absolutely amazing. It's just so accurate. And then, yeah, so you can work on each spot. You can use it a few times a day, and you will feel that where it starts off feeling quite strong, as time goes on, the sensation lessens. So that is that energy pathway becoming unblocked. There's also a thing where you can put these ear clips on. So these can be used on animals. If you've got a dog with a problem, then you can pop these on their ears. This is really good to help with the vagus nerve, so it's really good to help you get a good night's sleep. I'm going to make more videos like this because there's just so much stuff that's available to us that people don't know about. People just rely on going to the doctors, getting a prescription, and that is just not the way I want to live my life. So keep watching my videos, and if anyone is interested in finding out more about this amazing device, then please contact me.